Ciao! Yes, you can do colorful pasta with natural ingredients. Today we will prepare two basic colors that you can combine or use individually. Let's go! Gently fry onion and butter. Add spinach. I used frozen one. If you use fresh one instead, you don't need to boil it. Add it slowly into the pan. It will reduce a lot in volume. Add a bit of white wine or martini and let it evaporate. Add water and let it cook until soft and all liquids have evaporated. Mix all in a blender until smooth. We need the consistency of a puree. In a bowl, mix 50 grams of spinach puree, salt, pepper and 3 eggs. Add this mix into 350 grams of all-purpose flour. Depending on how soft your spinach puree is, add more flour into it, but keep the dough soft and elastic. For the second batch, we will use pre-cooked beetroots. Skin off and cut in pieces. Add a bit of beetroot juice or water instead. Mix it into a puree. Mix 50 grams of puree and 1 egg together. Then add 150 grams of flour into it. If your dough is too sticky, add more flour into it. For this recipe, we will use half of the green dough. You can keep it in the fridge up to 3 days wrapped in a bag. I will use this tomorrow for pappardelle. Start to flatten your dough with a fair amount of flour. Fold it into itself several times, giving strength to it. Once you flatten everything, shape all pieces equally, in size and thickness. To achieve the right thickness, I folded them in half, and I glued them together with water. Overlapping and alternating the colors. Then vertically cut a slice 2 cm thick and roll it again into the pasta machine, as thin as you can. Like this you have combined two colors. Then you can shape your pasta as you prefer. For the maltagliati, cut in regular pieces. Add flour and they are done.